The title of unit 4 is Building Bridges Going Ahead. The chapter is going on? First chapter. What is the name of first chapter? Application of percentage. Application of percentage. Yes. In previous class, I explained about cost price, selling price, profit percentage, loss percentage. After that, two IIT formula I have explained. After that, I have explained to you what is meaning of overhead expenses. So many formula yesterday I have given, and we have solved so many questions. Now today we are going to solve more questions. Note down example one. Example one. Ram bought a bag. Ram bought a bag for 2000 rupees. Ram bought a bag for 2000 rupees and sold it for 2080 rupees. Sold it for 2080 rupees. Find profit and profit percentage. Find profit and profit percentage. In this question, students, you are observing Ram bought a bag for 2000 rupees. Means he has given CP of a bag is equal to 2000 rupees. CP means cost price. CP of a bag is equal to rupees 2000. Next, SP of a bag is equal to 2080 rupees. Now, students, you are observing here selling price is greater than cost price, then we are going to find out profit. We'll write here SP is greater than CP, then profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit is equal to selling price SP minus cost price CP. I want to substitute value. What is selling price? Rupees 2080 minus rupees 2000. How much profit is getting? 80 rupees. After that, I want to find out profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP profit into 100 divided by CP. Profit percentage is equal to profit into 100 divided by CP. I want to substitute value here. Profit we got 80 rupees into 100 divided by cost price 2000. Rupee symbol cancel. This 2020 cancel. 1010 cancel. 8 by 2 is equal to 4%. Write down very clearly, everyone. Example 2. Students, now which examples I am going to give? These two examples are very, very important question. 4 marks question they are asking in the examination. Example 2. Example 2. Note down example 2. Ria sells Ria sells 2 books that is 1 novel and and Ria sells 2 books, 1 novel and 1 Ria sells 2 books that is 1 novels and 1 any book we can write name. Ria sells 2 books that is 1 novels and 1 maths textbook for 2000 rupees 2000 rupees each. This question is very famous question, student. Like that question they are asking in the examination, 4 marks question. And question is very easy, don't worry. Ria sells 2 books, that is 1 novels and 1 math textbook for 2000 rupees each. Gaining 15%, gaining 15 percentage on the one and losing 15% on the other. Losing 15% on the other. Find profit or loss percentage find profit or loss percentage, a percent, on the whole transaction. Very famous question, students. In the exam only they will change the value, like 15% is the 10% they can give, 20% they can give, and value they can change. Now students, first read this question very clearly. Ria sells 2 books, 1 novels and another math textbook for 2000 rupees each, gaining 15%. When she is selling first time, she is getting 15% profit. Again, second time, what she is getting? 15% loss. Then we want to find out she is getting profit percentage or loss percentage. Then here there are two things are there. First is novel, second is textbook, math textbook. Firstly, I want to find out for novel. Everyone concentrate, don't write. Firstly, I am talking about for novel. Ria sells 2 books, 1 novels and other math textbooks for 2000 rupees each. Sales means CPISP. Sales means CPISP. I have given very clear definition. Anything we are selling, that is called SP. ESP is equal to 2000 rupees. Yes, students are getting confused. Already she is selling, that is called ESP. After that, profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to 15%. Now for that, firstly, I need to find out CP. CP is equal to question mark. First IIT formula I have given, SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage into 100 by CP. But here I want to find out CP. Now CP is equal to SP into 100, SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. 100 plus profit percentage. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. This I am talking about student for novel. After that, I want to discuss with mathematics textbook. Firstly, I am discussing about novels. Now I want to substitute value here. SP is 2000 rupees. 2000 into 100 divided by 100 plus 15. it will become 2000 into 100 divided by 115. Now, firstly, I am talking about for novel. Now, SP is 2000 rupees. Profit percentage is 15%. CP I want to find out. Now, CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. I have substituted the value here. Now, 2000 into 100 divided by 115. It will become around 1739 rupees. 1739. Point will come something 13. We can round off. We can write here directly. I am assuming student nearly equal to 1739 only, right? I hope you are getting my point. Now, just now I have calculated CP for novels. Now I am going to calculate CP for math textbook. For math textbook. Again, same formula I want to apply here. But here second time C is getting 15% loss. SP is same here. SP is equal to rupees 2000. Second time loss percentage is equal to 15%, and is asking CP. Now CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. SP is 2000 into 100 divided by 100 minus 15. 2000 into 100 divided by 85. Student, first case I have found CP for novel. Second time we got CP for mathematics textbook. Now, say first time C is getting profit, second time C is getting loss, then 100 minus loss percentage. Now 2000 into 100 divided by 85, it will become 2352.94. I will round off. We can write approximate value rupees 2352. Total CP is equal to 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 CP for novels is rupees 1739. For textbook, math textbook 2352. Total CP for novels plus CP for math textbook. 1739 plus 2352. What is answer, students? 4091, right? Yes. Total CP we got it 4091. This is total CP. Now I want to find out total SP. Total SP is equal to, how to calculate total SP? Because RIA is selling two items. First time, what was the price? 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees plus 2000 rupees, because two items he is selling, item cost is same, 4000 rupees. Now tell me, students, total CP is 4991, total SP is 4000. RIA is getting profit or loss? Loss, because here CP is greater than SP. Here CP is greater than SP, means I want to find out first loss, then loss percentage. Like that question, 4 marks they are asking the examination student. Loss is equal to, don't worry, again I will scroll down. First note down. Loss percentage is equal to, sorry, first I want to find out loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP is rupees 4091 and SP is 4000. How much loss is there? 91 rupees. Now I want to find out loss percentage. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP, loss by CP into 100. Yeah, loss into 100 by CP. Loss is 91 rupees into 100 divided by CP is what? What is CP here? Here students are doing mistakes. What mistake they are doing? CP they are taking one value. No, total CP. I am talking about total CP here. 4091 rupees. Rupees cancel. 91 9100 divided by 4091. 9100 divided by 4091. It will become around 2.22. It will become around 2.223, we can say, at 224, 2.224 percentage. This is the 4 marks question they are asking in the exam. Question is not tough, student. Firstly, I want to find out CP for first item, CP for second item, total CP, total SP. After that, I want to check CP is greater than SP or SP is greater than CP. If your CP is greater than SP, I want to find out loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. After that, we can find out loss percentage. Yeah, I am scrolling down. Check it. For novels, SP is equal to 2000 rupees. Profit percentage is equal to 15%. Then I want to find out CP. CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percentage. We got it CP for novels 1739 rupees. Again, I want to find out CP for mathematics textbook. SP is same 2000 rupees. Loss percentage 15%. CP I want to find out. Same formula. CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percentage. Now we got it CP 2352. Now total CP is equal to CP of first item plus CP of second item 4091. And total SP is equal to 2000 plus 2000 4000. Yes, CP is greater than SP. I want to calculate loss. Write down very clearly, everyone. Or discount is a price. Or discount is the price of reduction. Or discount is the price reduction